first we're gonna have Kitty Bird. She'll come and sing a song. So here she comes. And she has a special guest with her. Give it up for Mr. Harden! Oh, come on, you can do better than that.
Everybody will. I guarantee it.
Hey guys! So I'm going to be singing Popular from Wicked, and Mr. Harding, if you've ever seen the play, is going to be Elphaba.
Yeah!
I'm going to be Glinda. Whenever I see someone less fortunate than I, and let's face it, who isn't less fortunate than I, my tender heart tends to start to bleed. And when someone needs a makeover, I simply have to take over. I know exactly what they need. And even in your case, though it's the toughest case I've yet to face, don't worry, I'm determined to succeed. Follow my lead, and yes, indeed, you will be popular. You're gonna be popular. I'll teach you the proper points when you talk to girls, little ways to flirt and float, so show you what shoes to wear, how to fix your hair, everything that really counts to be popular. You're gonna be popular. I'll teach you the proper points when you look at sports, now that's slang you gotta know. So let's start, 'cause you've got an awfully long way to go. Don't be offended by my frank analysis. Think of it as personality dialysis. Now that I've chosen to become a palace sister and advisor, there's nobody wiser. Not when it comes to popular. I know about popular, and with an assist from me to be who you'll be, the dreary who you are, nothing that can stop you from becoming popular. Celebrated heads of state or especially great communicators. They have brains or knowledge. Don't make me laugh, please. They were popular. It's all about popular. It's not about aptitude. It's the way you view. It's very sure to be very, very popular like me. Mr. Harding, you look fabulous! And you're welcome. And though you protest your disinterest, I know clandestinely you're gonna grin and bear it from popularity. Be popular, just not as popular as me. Thank you.